For me, fear is a bundle of energy which is perceived by us as an emotion. And it triggers several things in the physical body, in our minds, in our subtle bodies. And to me, it's like a bundle of very low vibrational energy. A lot of individuals will say, well, we needed that because many eons ago, we had to be very wary and be afraid of animals eating us and stuff like that. To a certain degree, that is partly true. There are two things that don't fit today. One of them is we don't have animals trying to eat us all the time. The other one is that there was a time before the animals were trying to eat us, or our perception of animals trying to eat us, or other people trying to hurt us. Before that, there was a time when we were actually connected to the environment, to each other. So there was nothing going to jump at you out of the dark and eat you. There was no danger, unless we actually wanted to play some sort of game of being hunted or something like that. We would willingly step into that, knowingly. And so this fear would be very much felt as an emotion and physical effects. When we do the process, the fear processing exercise, there's a couple of things that can happen. The fear can transform itself into different things. It can transform itself into a pain, for example, or a thought, or it can suddenly vanish and go, whoa, where did that go? And then, or it can, it could change into something else, like a sadness or other types of energies. And that's what we're going to do today, to try and identify and not lose track of it. It is also important that you keep the process very short and finalize it as after a few minutes, 5 minutes maximum or something like that. And then you can restart it, but only do it for about 20 minutes. What we don't want to get into is to be processing all day long. Now, if you find yourself in a situation that it's a crisis moment, you're out there and something happens to you in your life and you fall into fear. And also this process, of course, works with all the lower vibrational emotions and even the high ones too. If you get overwhelmed with happiness, you can actually use it to settle your energy bodies and really, really be able to express and feel that happiness.